Here we are looking at the Reebok Lite running shoes. I bought it from Eurosport, Malta, in a promotion for 20 euros. They come in a brown cardboard box as you can see. Let's open the box. So they are wrapped in a white paper around them. I ordered the shoes in heritage navy, white and solar yellow colors. Wow, they look so nice in bright light, giving a nice neon shade. Yep, that was all for the box. The size is 43 EUR and we can see a tag around one of the shoes. I have zoomed the camera and this is how they will look. It has a nice sole, soft, lightweight, stiff. It seems stable. Most part of the shoe has air passing material, which will keep your feet sweat free. Okay, so after 3 days of usage and a continuous of walking, running and jogging, I'm able to give my opinion. The color of the shoes look really vibrant when in bright light and they just attract most of the people. At first when I wore the shoes, I felt like it's hurting my left knee. But after 3-4 hours, I got really comfortable and found out that it was because of the new shoes. So that was the only issue I had with the shoes. But later, after using it for 3 days with a mix of running, jogging and walking, I love the shoes. They are very comfortable, lightweight, and the build quality is great. They are in white color, they just get dirty sometimes, but that's fine because it happens with most of the shoes. So that was it. Hope I helped you in some way, and if I did, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.